that direction. Giant, massive banyan tree. That's our park right there. So we're gonna kind of stroll through here. So I got a place to work out right there. So that one is Chiquinha. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So that one is like a gym. So we're gonna kind of a cool building actually. Nice colonial building with a full moon up there. Across the way is Zhuhai. And I think what we're gonna do is just walk down that way a little bit, see what we can see. There's one little straight here. That's where we're going, I think. Out there you can see a little pier. Oh, it's like actually that gym looks pretty big. So that gym looks like there's I can see people up on all 3 floors. They're all working out. So it's called Anytime Fitness Gym, 24/7. Huh. That's kind of cool. Let's get a little bit closer. Yeah, that gym is pretty cool. It's open 24/7 like that. Okay. Yeah, I guess I never really come to Coloane at nighttime, but it's its own little world here. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.